live, in vivo, as I love to say. So welcome to Stay Active with Coach Julio. Every Wednesday at 1 p.m., you will receive a 15-minute workout. So today's workout is going to be very, very, very special. You will be doing a Spider-Man / Spider-Woman abs and glutes only workout. If you like challenge, then this workout is for you. We're gonna do a half get up. A half get up setup is basically my right knee is gonna be bent, my left leg's gonna be 45 degrees out. As always, I'm gonna show you a couple of different variations so we all can participate in this workout. So variation 1, you're gonna have your hand facing up to the ceiling. This is an abs exercise. It's called Turkish Get Up from there. Usually you use a get up. One way we can do this, we can use our core to come up and my arm is behind my ear and I'm reaching through my fingertips. 3, 2, 1, down. Option 2, you go on your elbow and then you go onto your hand and then you're nice and upright. So you're gonna choose your destiny. And a unique type of workout for abs and glutes because it's unilateral. All right, so let's go. You choose knees above my hips. I extend as close as I can to the floor and then crisscross. That's 1, let me see where I am. And then I pull back. Again, I'm just gonna do 5, crisscross. 2, knees above my hips. Think of this right now as, as an appetizer, just getting an idea what to expect. Exercise 3, I'm up on my elbow and my foot's pointing down. 2 out of 5, 3, 4. Whew. So the next thing we're gonna do, as I said, is abs and glutes. Your abs are being worked and your glutes, trust me, you're gonna feel this. It's going to be a low elbow plank with an ABD abduction leg raise. So I slightly raise my leg off the floor for 1 second, out to the side, back. That's 1 out of 5. Out to the side, not touching the floor. Now I touch the floor. 2, 3. Here's a high plank. I turn my hip out slightly, knee to elbow, and then I do the opposite. Left and right is 1. That's variation 1. Variation 2, you do this from a push-up position. You just hold the push-up, as you can see. And variation 3, on your elbows. So knee to elbow, knee to elbow. Ay caramba. So that's round 1. Now there's 3 rounds. So if you started with 5 reps, then we want to do 5 reps for the second round, reps for the third round. If you did 8 reps, you see where I'm going with this. You want to build up to 15 reps. So for those who are new to Stay Active with Coach Julio, he likes to stall when it comes to 10 by 5 challenge, because he's a challenging. So these are wide jump squats. Now we're gonna turn into ninjas. We do 10 wide jump squats, has to be wide, with a 10-second hold. So the hops are dynamic and the hold is isometric. So we'll begin. And by the way, we should never hear ourselves landing. It's noiseless ninja style. 10, 9, 2, 3, embrace the shake. 4, 5, it's gonna get ugly. 6, 7, 8, 9, here I go. 10 seconds, 9, 8, do your best. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and I'm kneeling. 1. Whew. So exercise, fitness is always progressive. So that's very important to know. So what you are not able to do today, with your consistency, you'll be able to do in a week or 2 weeks. Your body needs time to adapt.